17 Pro Max එක ඩිස්ප්ලේ කියවන.
Very good.
This customer has visited us many times with his damaged devices from a fully bent iPhone 13. And now this iPhone 11 its display replaced for the fourth time.
Ini charging cord, ini speaker, volume button, ini stiker, kena lagi ni. Meeting, ya telefon kita dah JPS dah. Mereka dah ada display. Tahu volume up down button, ego tu ada ni. Aktif. Ego tu ada meeting, ego ribbon bila ni. Ego tu kita nak kena ni.
Let's get started. We're replacing the complete housing, the volume ribbon, the proximity sensor with the speaker, fitting an original display, and resolving the Face ID issue. The repair is fully completed. After a final quality check, it's ready to be handed over to the customer. Customer checking.
Ini අපි යන්නේ නේද? Thank you so much.
Right.